major tribute is being paid to healthcare workers by Henry Ford Health System in the way of permanent art to be displayed in hospitals and medical centers for everybody to see. The goal is to uplift and emotionally support the scores of workers who've worked tirelessly to save lives during the pandemic. The big reveal is Monday, but only Paula Tutman can give you your first look today.
Hey, Karen. So listen, here's the thing. If you walk through a hospital, you probably won't even realize that there's art on the wall, or maybe you will. I think you'd realize, though, if there wasn't any. There's this transformative power of art. And that's basically what's being done here with management to their employees. They're actually paying homage to their employees by these 10 commissioned pieces of artwork. And as you said, we've got your first sneak peek. If you think the pandemic is over or it was never a big deal, you need only go into Henry Ford Hospital Macomb today and see healthcare professionals suiting up like hazmat workers while leaving their hearts firmly on the outside of their protective gear.
It was, and still is, some of the hardest days of our lives. I mean, it's hard to watch our nurses, they struggle.
Hell, that's what it's been like for doctors, nurses, orderlies, administrators, and yes, of course, patients and their families. Shelley is a nurse at Henry Ford Macomb, and while her 6 children were at home, and while she and her husband, who is also a nurse, were working endless hours, holding the hands of dying patients, fighting to save those who could be saved, her own father was in her hospital fighting for his life because of COVID.
There are days that you come home, you don't even get home. You make it to your car and you just cry.
And because of the healing nature of art, Henry Ford Health System has found a way to pay permanent homage to its healthcare heroes by commissioning local artists to create art that will forever remind all of us where we've been. Sue is a St. Clair Shores mosaic artist who was commissioned to do a mural. The job was a godsend because not only was she an artist being paid for her work, but as an artist, she could pay it forward to the healthcare workers by what she created.
I want them to feel like they're part of it because we all did this together. That's the way I see this whole pandemic. I feel like we need each other. And who do we need more than the healthcare industry, for crying out loud?
And so for as many as 300 hours, she worked painstakingly, shard of glass by shard of glass, to create a snapshot in time.
And all the people are mosaicked in mirror. The whole point is so that you can see yourself in the middle of all of this chaos.
And I think that's fantastic. I mean, that's like a dedication to all of everything that we have been going through. That's quite honoring to us.
Yeah, and that really is the big point here, and that is to honor these healthcare heroes who've been working so hard. So as we said, the actual reveal is Monday for this particular piece here at Henry Ford Macomb. But keep in mind, there are 9 other pieces of artwork from commissioned artists from around the area, and they'll have different unveilings throughout the year, again, as a way to help heal and uplift those who've been working so hard to heal us. Karen?
So appreciated, really, and talented artists, obviously. We appreciate the sneak peek. Thank you, Paula.